I started to become more and more conscious of the welfare and the treatment of animals. When I was in college, I became disturbed that the way this industrial agricultural system was growing out was causing a lot of pain and hardship to animals.
10 billion farm animals are slaughtered every year for food in this country alone, and the vast majority of them are raised on what are called factory farms. These are warehouses where tens of thousands of animals are sealed inside. They have no quality of life.
My team has put forward legislation to try to end a lot of the ills that we see within industrial animal factory farming. Your family farmers that are raising in a more regenerative, sustainable manner often get hurt by the big policies. And unfortunately, the people that are trying to do it right are not getting support. Our Farm System Reform Act looks to try to find ways to help give them resources necessary to buy them out of this very broken system. The Industrial Agriculture Accountability Act really is trying to shift the burden and the responsibility back on those big corporations.
Senator Booker understands the pressure that factory farming creates, and he is a strategic fighter against a really formidable foe that has no interest in changing, and yet he persists.
There are so many farmers now that give me so much hope because they're showing that you can do this in a way that makes a profit. There is a way to have a win for farmers, a win for consumers, a win for our environment and our ecology, and a win for animals.